Today we are going to test this little power washer, which is only 60 centimeters tall, so it's very compact and quite powerful. It's a 27 years old machine, but it went through complete repair and it performs well. The only thing that has to be fixed still is the high voltage transformer. It means we cannot operate with hot water right now, but I'll show you how it works with the cold water. You can see yourself that 90 bars of professional machine is something different than 130 and 150 bars of the hobby class machine. There is a brand new professional Italian nozzle that is suitable for the hot water as well. And what is really beautiful on this power washer is especially this 8 meters long hose for the hot water up to 100 degrees, which is extremely flexible. And this rubber looks like new, and it's nearly 27 years old. Those who knows the stuff around the power washers knows that the 100 bars of the Kranzel or Karcher professional class, or this Electra Becum, this brand doesn't exist anymore, but these power washers are still produced under Electromaschinen brand or Electrolux and sold around the world. So it's really good, reliable machine. Easy to fix and cheap to fix.